Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just to let you know, just right now, not more than about 11:50, I received a national alert warning about flash flooding that will occur until 17:45. That's 7:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Basically, the whole LA County area. There's a large, looks like a band on the radar that I saw in my local news that's coming, sweeping through the LA County area. So please be advised, flash flooding alert until 19:45 until 7:45 p.m. on the 20th of August. Thank you.